I just knew that you were the one that I've always needed. And I needed you to know that. What is it?
Perry White. He's offered me a job at the foreign desk in Kenya.
That's great. Congratulations.
Well, I'm not sure I'm going.
Well, Lois, your career is so important to you. What would make you stay?
For you, I would stay for you. Clark, as important as my career is to me, you are more important. I would give up Africa to be with you. But only if we stop keeping secrets from each other.
Lois, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you do, Clark. Come on. I need you to be honest with me.
Lois, there's nothing to tell you. I think you leaving Metropolis is the best thing for you right now. Just know that wherever you are, I'll be watching over you. I'll be thinking of you.
I'm sorry. I should go.
Blood pressure's dropping.
Oxygen.
Down to 50%.
Hurry up, we're losing her. 10 mil epi, charge at 200.
Charging.
Clear.
No pulse, no
Charge at
response.
250.
Got it.
Clear. No response. Let's call it. Time of death, 3:33 p.m. Call the morgue. Have them send somebody up to collect the body.
Houston, we got a problem.
Are you at the satellite station yet?
Yeah, I'm way ahead of you, but I'm a little lost. I need you to be my own personal map quest, if you don't mind.
All right, what's your 20?
I'm inside the air ducts right now. Access to the main grid is through one of the routing panels.
Okay, mole man, just think happy thoughts and keep on tunneling. Let me know when you've reached the T.
Hate small spaces. Okay, completed the first level. I'm at the T.
Okay, now